Hi, this is Alan Adelstein from American Recorder Technologies, and I'm here at CEDIA 2022 and want to show you our snakeskin cable management product. Snakeskin is the great product, easy to use for wrapping wires, cables, and protecting them. It's made from a special nylon and fabric mesh that makes it pliable, durable, but yet tough at the same time. And I'll demonstrate here how easy it is to slip the wires into the snakeskin. Just that easy, just that quick. You can find snakeskin and all of our other products at www.americanrecorder.com. Thanks for listening.